Hello guys, I am Dila Putri and I would like to make the tutorial about how to make dispersion effect using CorelDRAW. First of all, I would like to explain about dispersion. Based on English Oxford Dictionary, dispersion is the actions or process of distributing things or people over a wide area. So, we would like to make some pieces in our photo become distributed that make our photo has the dispersion effect. First thing to do is, you should have the photo of people. After you add the photo, you should erase the photo background using the Bezier tool. Select the border of your chosen object. I already have the chosen object in here. Then select all using the pick tool. After that, click trim. Then, delete this one. The next step is, you should draw a rectangle by clicking Rectangle tool, or you can type F6 for the shortcut. This rectangle is for the dispersion tool. Click Convert to Curve. Then, using the Shape tool, make the rectangle become triangle. Copy the triangle so you will have two triangles. After that, give mirror effect to the second triangle. We should multiply our dispersion tool to make it cover all of our object. The first step is click Object menu, select Transformations, then select Positions. Or for the shortcut, you can type Alt plus F7 to open the Transformations box. In the Copies field, type 20, then choose the middle right. Then, don't forget to click Apply. To make it multiply horizontally. After you have finished the first step, don't forget to select all of the object using the Pick tool. To multiply it vertically, fill the copies into 30, then select Lower Center, and make it according to our canvas. After that, right-click the object, then click Group Objects. The next step is copy and paste our photo. Right-click on our new photo, then select Power Clip Inside. After that, click into our object. Right-click, then choose Ungroup Object. Delete the part of dispersion tool that we will not use. By clicking the Pick tools, select, then click Delete. This is our important part. Spread the pieces of our dispersion tool to make the dispersion effect on our object. Choose this one, then spread, choose this one, then spread. You can make it based on your creation. Then, use again our first photo. Select all, then right-click on this box. To delete this part, you can use the knife tool. You can use transparency tool to give the transparent effect. to dramatize it. Then, to make it clear, you can change the background color by open the Tools menu, click Options, Document and then Background, change it into solid. Then you can choose the color that you want. Click OK. To save the project, you can click Export, type your name, your file name, then click Export. Then just leave the default setting, then click OK. So your photo with your dispersion effect is ready to use. And this is my tutorial. Thank you for watching.